The TSIA Advisory Board has been a phenomenal experience for me personally. I think there's a lot of different things that I've learned, but if I can pick one thing that has really shaped my thinking, is to really think differently. At Salesforce, I'm 100% focused on AI and Agentforce. We have our products, we have our process. When I talk to other board members and really see how they're tackling the same problems in a little bit of a different way, that has really become a forcing function for me to think differently, to approach the same problem with a different mindset. The diversity of the board members, right? They're coming from different organizations, different parts of the industry, and I think different experiences, right? So I think that diversity really makes it very, very unique. One of the things that TSIA does really well is, in addition to talking about the current trends and the challenges that the industry is facing today, I feel that the real value is forecasting and predicting the challenges that might be coming in near future. So exactly 1 year ago, during the keynote, there was an interesting topic that JB talked about, which was around AI agents talking to each other. And today, that is the number one thing that everybody's talking about. So a year ago, it was a theoretical concept, but TSIA brought it to the table. And for me to listen to that, attend, that conference, and then take it back to my organization has really helped us shape how we have approached this with our customers. It really comes down to the what and the why and the how, right? So I think when you come to this event, there's a lot of learning and there's a lot of knowledge that you're going to gain. If you think about the TSIA research, it really talks about the what of the trends and the challenges, right? So you're going to gain a lot of that knowledge. When you interact with the experts, who, by the way, the TSIA experts are fantastic, they really help you understand the why behind that problem, right? And when you connect with the community and talk in those roundtables and the one-on-one conversations, that's where really the rubber meets the road, and you understand how those ideas and concepts are put into production. So I think it's the research, it's the advisors and the experts, as well as the community, that really makes it very, very unique. I'm actually betting my whole career on that topic, right? So I work for Salesforce.com, 100% focused on AI and Agentforce. And the reality is that, things are moving forward very, very quickly, right? So there's a pretty big gap in terms of AI innovation and AI adoption. So I think TSIA is playing a really big role in filling that gap, guiding the customers and the industry in terms of how they can go from aspiration to implementation as quickly as possible. Gaining knowledge about future trends and challenges before anyone else does, and being able to approach and think differently about those challenges. I think that's the biggest value I've gotten out of it.